actually build it, 8 days. To do the planning, which is obviously a very long process when you normally do hospitals, it probably takes you up to about 10 or 12 days. So we've managed to plan, fit out a hospital in less than 2 weeks, which is phenomenal.
The Nightingale Hospital is going to take patients out of the patients who don't need really complex care, ventilation, dialysis, that sort of thing, out of the main hospitals, so that the really complicated patients can be looked after by staff who are in their own environment, who and know their way around, know the teams, are familiar in their environment. We've taken a view which is different to the view in London, that the best way to do that is to move the patients who don't require that really complicated care into this facility.